The LinkedIn boss saying Elon Musk hanging out with Trump is a conflict of interest. The new update to Dream Machine is making your content creation dreams a reality. Hey, you want to take your company calls and meetings from the beach? All that and more is coming up right now. Luma Labs earlier this year came out with the Dream Machine video creation software, and since then we've watched other models come out and everybody's jockeying for position, who's giving you the best results. Well, Luma Labs has been quietly working in the background, and they just released the all-new Dream Machine 1.5. Check out this video.
Start. Drop a thought. Watch it grow. Every idea, a plan in motion. You're not waiting for the perfect time. You're making it. Because dreams aren't meant to stay in your head. They're meant to be real. Introducing the new Dream Machine from Luma AI.
So some of the new features include a new image generation model. So you're not just coming up with videos, you're also creating images. The whole thing is broken up now into, they call it boards. It's kind of like workspaces. So you got different workspaces for different projects. And inside that board, inside that workspace, you're going to generate images. Oh, and it gives you 4. Oh, it gives you 8, 3, 4 more. Oh, take number 11 and animate that one. Now you turn it into a video. So the whole process, generating images and then animating those, is now streamlined into one seamless process. No prompt engineering. They're talking about how you can just ask for whatever you want in plain language, which is kind of cool. Reference anything. They've now introduced the ability to give it up to 4 reference images to match style or anything like that. Also now consistent characters, so you can now have character reference. They've also got a new brainstorm function. So if you're feeling stuck or you're not quite getting what you're picturing in your head, you can click that brainstorm button and it'll give you a new twist on your prompt or a twist on the results you were getting. And then also you can now share and remix your boards. It's a lot of fun. I've been trying it out. I had advanced access to it and I was doing some cool stuff with it. Me and my little 5-year-old daughter were working on a little movie where she was having a unicorn meet a Pegasus, and Luma loved it so much that they shared it on X. That was kind of cool. But they're really in expansion mode right now where they really want to see what people do with it. So get on the new Dream Machine, try it out for yourself, see what you make, share it on social media, share it with me because I want to see, and let's see what we come up with in the new Dream Machine. Have you ever wished that you could have a digital avatar that stands in for you on company calls and meetings? Well, now you can with Pickle, who's offering a service that creates a digital avatar to attend web conference calls on your behalf. So what you do is you upload a 5-minute video of yourself, and within 24 hours, you've got an avatar that's ready to simulate your presence on apps like Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. Check out the demo.
As you can see, I'm currently participating in a Zoom call. But what if I tell you that I'm actually not in front of the camera right now? And this is an AI-generated live screen that moves in sync with my voice. Pickle generates real-time video of talking you based on your audio inputs, which can be streamed directly to Zoom.
Now, currently it's only available for Mac OS, which is a hell of a change of pace since us Mac users are used to seeing stuff come out from Windows first, but Windows support is expected next month. Now, right now, the service costs between $300 and $1,150 annually, depending on the plan. Apparently, there's a really high demand right now, which is causing delays in avatar generation, but the company is saying that they're offering convenience for users in various scenarios, from staying in bed to calling from unconventional locations like the beach. Hey, I could be using their service to host this show right now and you'd never know. If it's really that good, test it out. Let me know how you do. Literally phoning it in. I was just reading about how 75% of chartered accountants in the United States are set to retire in the next 5 to 10 years, leaving the entire business community going, what are we going to do? Because there's literally not enough people entering the accounting field at all. So this is the gap that was spotted by Fondo, a startup that was founded in 2020 to address the US accountant shortage with an AI-driven bookkeeping and tax platform tailored for startups and small to medium-sized businesses. They've announced that they've achieved profitability and that they're serving 1,200 customers, including 11 labs, Carrot, and PostHog. And they just secured a $7 million seed round that's going to enhance product development and automation, including the creation of an AI agent to provide financial insights. Another great example of AI helping awesome people do awesome things. And if you're a young person just starting to think about what you're going to do with your life, it sounds like there's maybe some room for you in the accounting field. Either way, check out this full story about Fondo on the WednesdAI page, linked right there on the page right now. Now, you couldn't have missed it because of the way the whole thing sits at the intersection of technology, business, culture, and politics. So you got to already know that Elon Musk has been a big figure in the election of Donald Trump. So now, LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman is criticizing Elon Musk for a potential conflict of interest as Musk advises President-elect Trump on AI policies while running his AI startup xAI. So Hoffman acknowledges that Trump's pro-innovation stance could drive technological advancement, but he expresses concern over Musk's involvement that it could lead to policies favoring his own businesses. Musk's growing role in politics, including endorsing Trump and joining the Department of Government Efficiency Initiative, it's drawn fire from skeptics, but it also highlights his influence as a leading figure in AI and tech policy. A lot of colorful opinions going around on this one. Check out the whole story with the links on the WednesdAI page right now and leave a comment wherever you're watching this. Let me know what you think. Hey you got an iPhone? Well, you might be interested to know that Apple is reportedly developing a more conversational version of Siri powered by large language models to improve its natural language processing capabilities. So this is going to be a new system that would allow users to have more fluid, human-like interactions with your devices, moving beyond the traditional command-based structure. So Apple's goal here would be to integrate advanced conversational AI to offer more context-aware responses, making Siri smarter and better at handling complex requests.
This new version, they hope, is going to offer some ChatGPT-like features within Siri, summarization, more advanced query support, but most importantly, back and forth conversational user interface. So you have much quicker engagement, like you're talking back and forth with a human being. People involved in the project tell me that they doubt they're going to be able to ship anything that comes close to what ChatGPT is offering, but that's certainly the goal, and that's not going to come until about March 2026.
Is Apple too late to the party here to really make a difference? Literally, that's what I see everybody asking here. What's funny though is Apple being late doesn't mean you should count Apple out or they're not going to come in and take over. I know I can think of a bunch of instances, and I'm sure you can too, when Apple wasn't first to market, but they tried to be best when they eventually came to the market. And I think that that's played out a couple of times. In fact, you could say that that's been the de facto thing that they do lately for the most part, or let's say more often than not.
So this is a shift that's coming as Apple seeks to compete with other AI-driven voice assistants, including Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, which are already leveraging similar technologies. So what do you think? Has Apple got some catching up to do, or have they just been biding their time until the moment is right to strike against the competition? Check out the information with the link on the WednesdAI page right now. Now it's time for the videos of the week. And friend of the show, Dave Clark, fresh off of being featured in the Wall Street Journal as one of the co-founders of Promise AI, the new AI-based production startup. He's got a new film out called The Rancher, and I want you to see this one for just how good the faces and the movements are. Feels like we're just like weeks away from starting to get content that your average viewer will never be able to tell is AI. So check it out, The Rancher by Dave Clark.
Or maybe it was just plain stubbornness. When I got there, I found something that didn't belong. And her, lying there still as death. She looked human.
And for a peek into a possible future for us lowly humans down here on planet Earth, check out a new kind of human showing off AGI and outside human implants. This is a really mind-bending and thoughtful one by Alberto Poppy Roldan.
First up, let's talk about prosthetics. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, can analyze user data and personalize settings for maximum comfort and efficiency. Think about predictive maintenance that spots issues before they become problems. And how about implants that adapt seamlessly to different environments?
Now, I know for a 100% fact that a lot of you had a fantastic time watching the reaction to the Jaguar car. They want to call it a commercial, maybe a brand film. Well, comedian Mark Day has taken it to its logical conclusion with this short film called Jag Max, the Jaguar ad and Mad Max mashup by Mark Day. Check it out.
Jaguar car, maximum style. Your Max. Your Max. Jaguar car, maximum style. Your Max. Your Max.
That's the show. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Now here at WednesdAI, we work hard to bring you the biggest headlines from the world of AI in a concise and entertaining package every week. But if you want to get it first, then get over to the WednesdAI page and sign up to receive the newsletter. It comes straight to your inbox. You get the news first. You're hearing everything. You're impressing your friends with your knowledge of cutting-edge AI news. You don't even got to tell them you heard it from us first. Now, if you're making something cool in AI, or you got a tip, something we got to cover on the show, we got to get the link. Send it to us. We're on X, Instagram, LinkedIn. Leave a comment on the YouTube video. Write it in a letter and put it in the mail after the mail strike ends, of course. Or better yet, get hold of that big truck from Mad Max, the one with the speaker stacks lined up and that guy with the guitar. Hook a microphone up to that and shout your tip at me as the convoy races past. Looking forward to that one. See you next time.
Fire!